Titan Factory Direct presents the Aspen. This modern manufactured home has 3 beds, 2 baths, and is 1,870 square feet. You are greeted by an open family dining area that leads into a chef-inspired kitchen with an exquisite tile backsplash and royal blue accents. Hidden behind the kitchen is a secluded office space and expansive pantry. Just across the rich kitchen island is an inviting, open living room with a beautiful tray ceiling. 2 large thermal pane windows open the room to beautiful views and ample sunlight. The master bedroom is an ideal oasis for relaxation of the mind and body. The bathroom has his and her sinks, a spacious closet, a walk-in shower, and a relaxing soaker tub. The large back porch extends the comfort of your new home and crafts the perfect place to begin and end your day. For more information on the Aspen, visit TitanFactoryDirect.com.